So yeah, just thought I'd put a quick video together for you guys. So make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit the like button, and yeah, make sure...
Move yourself, move yourself, move... Okay, is this nice?
Oh yeah, that is good.
Okay. Hello, and welcome to another episode of Cruising, where this time we're doing something completely different. I went home last weekend, which was the bank holiday here in the UK. It was amazing, it was sunny. Well, actually, no, that's a complete lie. It rained for 2 days, it was horrendous, and then it was sunny. But as soon as it cleared, I had an opportunity to take the car out, and I went for a drive on one of my favorite driving roads, which is actually going towards near where you live. But basically, drove for about half an hour. The car was sounding amazing, getting some pops and bangs. And I got myself a little POV setup. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back in time, go to the bank holiday, and you're gonna join me on the road. So we'll see you there. One of the most desirable driving roads in the UK, actually. It just so happens to be very close to where I grew up. So I wanted to share this experience with you. Obviously, now that we can do this in the Z. And it begins here. So we're going to play a little bit with this, this manual shifter down here and show you what that's all about. Got it in sport, got it nicely warmed up. Full tank of petrol. So yeah, sounded good, sounded excellent. Get a real shift on now. Woo! Stable. The thing is with the Z4 is it's so stable as a car. It really is. Delivery of power is so smooth, you know, and that's the beauty of a straight six, is that it's, like my brother said earlier, it's quite buttery, you know. When you get around corners like this, they're really stable. This isn't the main road, by the way. There is a bit further on, but it's beautiful around here. It really is beautiful. off in third gear, just easy.